Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Black Ops 7 if it's stuck on the loading screen. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta go to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Again, %local app data %. Now, once that's done, either hit on enter or click on this file folder. Okay. Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and find the Activision folder. Okay, you gotta want to click on it. Now right click and hit on delete. Once that's done, close this folder, restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. Now if that still will work, just go ahead and open up your Steam, and once it loads, go ahead over to your library. Go ahead and find Black Ops 7. Okay, for example, this one right here, right click on it, click on Properties. Now go to installed files. Now click on verify integrity of game files. Okay, may take some time. Just patiently wait, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now if that will work, additional steps right here. Click on Steam, settings, downloads, clear download cache. Okay, and go to storage. Locate where the game is installed. For example, local disk C right here. Okay, click on 3 dots. Repair library. All right. And once that's done, don't forget to restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.